Shower.
Great shower, yeah?
Do you know about these things called wet showers? It's pretty much like a head boy, but a lot of fun taken out of it. Basically, they just shower like cream like a kid.
Stay for acting.
Oh no, I know how much you love it. You just come and sit there.